everybody, I'm Jillian Roy, and I'm the president of the Epsilon Sigma chapter of the Sigma Tau at Bridgewater State University, if you didn't know. And I'm going to run through how to update your home screens for the iOS 14 update on your iPhone. So first things first, I'm going to kind of run through my home screen to give you to give you a rundown of what to expect for what it should look like. I'm really into Harry Potter because I'm a Hufflepuff and I really like Twilight. So you can update it to your own aesthetic. You can make it different color schemes, like that's totally fine. But yeah, first things first, you gotta download the iOS 14 update. And the second step I suggest is downloading two apps, which are the Widgetsmith and color widgets. So yeah, I downloaded pictures that I liked, and pretty much I'm going to show you how to make them into widgets. So yeah, I'm going to create a medium widget. Let's click on that and scroll down to photo, and then selected photo. And I'm going to choose these disco balls that are really cute. And if you see the plus sign in the top left corner, we're going to press add, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Widgetsmith. It's going to take you to a different widget than what you're intending. All you have to do is just scroll down to the correct widget, which in my case is medium number 9. And now I'm going to add the final widget to this screen. Ooh, so shiny, so good. And then we're going to put that over it, add it together. Ooh, the vibes. We love to see it. And finally, what I'm going to show you guys is how to make your apps look like the ones in my previous home screen pages. So I'm going to take this one because we clicked on it and it has that checkerboard pattern that we love to see. So I'm going to click onto Fonto. And on the side where there's 3 bars on the left side, we're going to press add image, and we're going to hope this is an actual PNG. Ooh, yes, usually if it's an all black screen, that means it is a PNG. Fun fact for this Fonto app. So if you are happy with your Fonto little screen icon thing, swipe out of that and go to all shortcuts. We're gonna press the open app option. From here, where there's a little transparent choose sign, like a little, it says choose, we're gonna click on that. And we're going to search up the app that we're trying to change the look of. And then you're going to click on the 3 dots button. You're going to name the shortcut, which is going to just be translate. And then you're going to press the add to home screen tab. I like to do all capitals for my apps. And then after you're done with that, you're going to click to choose photo. We're going to not delete the app. There's going to be an option that says remove app. We're going to click on that. And then we're going to choose the middle option that says move app to library. So it's still going to be on your phone. The shortcut on your phone that you just created will still work, but only the shortcut on your phone that you just created is going to be on your home screen. Now, I will show you how it still works by clicking on the translate app that we created. So you click on that and it takes you real quick to the shortcuts app, but then it transfers you right over to the app that you're intended to be in. I really hope that you enjoyed that tutorial and it wasn't too much to sit through. I appreciate you coming on to the 𝚕𝚒𝚒𝚕𝚘 YouTube channel. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Bye.